Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to delete browser history in Mozilla Firefox, so you can clear your browsing activity and protect your privacy. Step 1. Open Firefox and click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where browser options are located. Step 2. Click History from the menu. This section shows your browsing history. Step 3. Select Clear Recent History. A new window will open with history deletion options. Step 4. Choose everything from the time range dropdown. This ensures all browsing history is selected. Step 5. Make sure browsing and download history is checked, then click Clear. Firefox will delete all your browsing history immediately. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.